Welcome to Math with Teacher MJ. In this lesson, we are going to cover how to solve linear inequalities. So let's start with example. First one, it says negative 2x is less than or equal to 6. What should we do to solve this linear inequality? So negative 2 multiplied by x. You can see here multiplication. What is the reverse operation of multiplication? Right, division. We are going to use division to continue the solution. Okay, negative 2 times x. We need to divide both sides by negative 2. But do not forget, in the linear inequality, when we multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, we need to switch the inequality symbol. Okay. Negative 2 divided by negative 2. Negative 2 cancel out. Left side, it's gonna be x. We divide both sides by negative number. We need to switch the inequality sign. It's gonna be greater than or equal. 6 divided by negative 2 equals negative 3. And this is your answer. Next one. 2 minus x over 4 is greater than or equal to 9. Step 1. Here we have positive 2. Both sides minus 2. Okay. What is the next step? 2 minus 2 cancel out. Left side negative x over 4 is greater than or equal 9 minus 2 equals 7. What is the next step? Look here, x over 4, division. What is the reverse operation of division? Multiplication. We need to use multiplication. Both sides multiply by negative 4. Negative 4, negative 4. Okay, negative 4 cancel out. Left side, it's gonna be x, but do not forget, we divide both sides or multiply both sides by a negative number. That is why we need to switch inequality sign. It's gonna be less than or equal. 7 times negative 4, negative 28. And this is your answer. X is less than or equal negative 28. Let's continue our lesson with next example. Negative 1 over 3x plus 4 is less than or equal to 6. Step 1. What can you see here? Addition. What is the reverse operation of addition? Subtraction. Okay, it is enough we use negative 4 for both sides. Negative 4, positive 4 cancel out. Negative 1 over 3x is less than or equal 6 minus 4 equals 2. Can you help me to find the solution? Negative 1 over 3 multiplied by x is less than or equal to. Look here, we have negative 1 over 3. Division, x over 3. That is why you are going to use a multiplication. Divide both sides by negative 3. So negative 3 cancel out. Left side, it's gonna be x, but do not forget, we multiply both sides by a negative number. That is why we need to flip the inequality symbol. Switch it. It's gonna be greater than or equal 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6. And this is your solution. Last one. 10 is greater than or equal to 4 minus 3x. Step 1. What can you see here? Positive 4. I use negative 4 for both sides. 4, positive 4, negative 4 cancel out. 10 minus 4 equals 6 is greater than or equal to negative 3x. What should we do now? Negative 3 multiplied by x. You can see here multiplication. What is the reverse operation of multiplication? Right, division. Divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3 cancel out. Right side, it's gonna be x, but do not forget, we divide both sides by a negative number. That is why we need to switch the inequality sign. 6 divided by negative 3 equals negative 2. And this is our solution. Have fun.